Mind-blowing cat eyes, nearsighted by day, night vision superhero by night. Welcome to FactSpark. Ever looked into your cat's mesmerizing, mysterious eyes and thought, what on earth are they really seeing? Do they spot ghosts we can't? Are they secretly plotting world domination in the dark? Well, buckle up, buttercups, because today we're about to have our minds blown as we dive headfirst into the wild, wonderful world of cat vision. It's a total paradox. Your adorable, fluffy overlord is actually pretty nearsighted, but when the sun dips below the horizon, they transform into a bona fide night vision superhero. Get ready to unravel this fascinating furry mystery. First up, let's spill the kibble on their daytime vision. You might imagine your cat has eagle eyes spotting a rogue dust bunny from across the galaxy. But here's the hilarious truth. They're actually quite nearsighted. While us mere humans can usually spot a friend waving from 100 or even 200 feet away, your cat's super sharp focus only extends to about 20 feet. Anything beyond that? It's basically a blurry, impressionistic painting. Think Monet, but with more cat hair. This fuzzy view isn't a design flaw, it's an evolutionary superpower. Unlike our fancy human eyes, cats lack a specific muscle that rapidly changes the shape of their eye lens, which is super important for focusing at different distances. But hey, as natural-born hunters, their survival depends on pouncing on tiny, wiggling prey right under their nose, not reading billboards from a mile away. Who needs perfect long-distance vision when you're a stealthy, close-quarters ninja? And what about color? Let's bust that old myth right now. Cats don't just see in black and white. They do see color, but it's like they're at a pastel party while we're at a rave. Think muted blues, greens, and yellows. Reds? To them, that vibrant crimson toy probably looks more like a dull gray or a dark blob. So, that bright red laser pointer you're wiggling around? To them, it's just a fascinating moving blob of something. Speaking of things right under their nose, if it's really close, like boop my nose close, they actually ditch the eyeballs and rely on their super sensitive whiskers to feel their way around. It's like having a built-in personal GPS for close encounters. Pretty clever, right? Now for the part that will make you say, whoa, dude, their night vision. This is where cats become the undisputed champions of the twilight world, turning your living room into their personal hunting ground after dark. The secret sauce is in their retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of their eye. Cats have way more rod cells than humans. We're talking 6 to 8 times more. Rods are like tiny light-gobbling superheroes, super sensitive to even the faintest glimmer of light and the slightest twitch of motion. This is why your cat can spot a rogue crumb or a phantom dust bunny moving across the floor in what looks like total darkness to you. But wait, there's more. Behind their retina is a magical, mirror-like layer called the Tapetum lucidum. Sounds like a wizard spell, right? Well, it acts like one. If light zips past the retina without being absorbed, this tapetum bounces it back for a second chance. It's like a built-in light amplifier, giving them an incredible advantage in low light. This is also why their eyes seem to glow eerily in photos. It's just their natural mirror reflecting light back at the camera, making them look like tiny alien headlights. And have you ever noticed their pupils? Those vertical slits of mystery are another marvel. In bright light, they shrink down to impossibly thin lines, protecting their sensitive peepers. But in the dark, they can dilate to cover up to 80% of their eye surface, sucking in every last photon of light. Humans can only dilate their pupils by a factor of 15, but cats? A whopping 135. That's some serious light control, turning their eyes into super zoom lenses for the night. Finally, cats have a wider field of view, about 200 degrees compared to our 180. This means they've got a built-in 360-degree surveillance system, almost, letting them spot more of their surroundings without even turning their head. Stealth mode activated. While their eyes are incredible, a cat's sensory world extends far beyond just sight. Remember those whiskers? They're not just for looking cute. These vibrissae are super sensitive tactile receptors, helping them navigate tight spaces, detect air currents, and even feel objects in complete darkness. They're like a cat's personal radar system. And their hearing? Forget about it. Cats can hear sounds up to 64,000 hertz, far beyond our human limit of 20,000 hertz. They can even rotate their ears independently to pinpoint the exact source of a tiny mouse squeak or the crinkling of a treat bag from across the house. Then there's their sense of smell, which is about 15 times better than ours. They even have a special organ in the roof of their mouth, the vomeronasal organ, that lets them taste scents, gathering even more detailed chemical information about their world. It's like a super sniffer with a built-in flavor detector. With all these amazing abilities, it's no wonder there are so many wild myths about cat vision. Let's clear some up, FactSpark style. First, the big one. Cats can see in total darkness. Nope. While they need only about 1/6 the amount of light humans do to see, some ambient light is always necessary. They're not wearing night vision goggles. They still need a tiny bit of light, just like us after too much coffee. Also, cats aren't truly nocturnal party animals. They are crepuscular, meaning they're most active during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. Perfect for hunting when prey is active and the light is just right for their superpowers. Here's a fun fact that'll make you say, "Aw." All kittens are born with adorable blue eyes. Their true eye color develops as they grow, usually between 6 to 12 weeks, as melanin production kicks into gear. It's like a tiny, furry melanin magic show. Cats also have a third eyelid called the nictitating membrane. It sweeps across their eye like a tiny, natural windshield wiper, keeping it moist and protected, especially during a stealthy hunt. And finally, the infamous cucumber reaction. Those viral videos of cats jumping at cucumbers, it's not because they hate veggies. It's usually the element of surprise. To a nearsighted cat, a sudden, silent object appearing behind them can look suspiciously like a slithering snake or a sneaky predator, triggering a hilarious startled reflex. So maybe don't try that at home, unless you enjoy being entertained by feline ninja reflexes. So there you have it. Your cat's vision is a true marvel of evolution, a quirky masterpiece of nature. They might be a little blurry in the daytime, but their incredible night vision, combined with their super-sensitive whiskers, hearing, and smell, makes them perfectly adapted for their world. It's a perfect reminder that even our everyday pets are truly extraordinary, fascinating creatures. What's the most surprising thing you learned about cat vision today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you loved this deep dive into animal facts, make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with a fellow cat fanatic, and subscribe to FactSpark for more amazing insights into the natural world. We'll see you in the next video.